Good afternoon, YouTube. Today is December 4th, 2016, right around noon here. Just want to give you a quick show and tutorial of the Radio Tone Roip1, linked and fused with Sheboygan's, Fond Du Lac Gmrs repeater. So basically here, you've got the Radio Tone Roip1 device. You can see the blinks flash, or the lights flashing there in standby. I'll do a little sample of how that works when the devices are out of standby and actually being triggered and used. Up here, I have my Kenwood TK805D. That's the link radio I've built to use. The wiring and whatnot isn't the prettiest and the cutest, but it works. I took a telephone cord, it's actually right here, spliced it down, ran it in through a ran it in to 3.5, and that goes in here to the radio tone. But I gotta go too much into that. I'm sure you can figure it out. If anybody ever does this though, I would strongly suggest if you use the 3.5 stereo, like 3.5 to 3.5 aux, like I am there. It's just up here, getting yourself, if you can see right there, the black thing. I have a stereo to mono adapter in that, so it works better. It seems to work better in mono. Power supply, just regular computer power supply, hacked and modified for the power supply for my radio. Down here is the link computer that's USB interfaced into that, which is obviously interfaced to that, so on and so forth. It's pretty simple, pretty standard. If you have questions, feel free to email us. The email is wqnx906systems@gmail.com. Either me or one of the administrators will answer you and try to answer any questions that you may or may not have, to the best of our knowledge. So anyways, getting over here to the software, there's been plenty of YouTube videos out there that I've seen instructing how this works, but I'll just give a little quick show here. Go under tools, went on to options, into your control. You're going to want to have push to talk enabled, or hands free enabled. Yeah, you just copy this off of mine, it'll obviously work. The audio, you can tweak these levels yourself. You don't have to have them exactly lined up as I do. Tweak them as yourself. You'll play with it and you'll find that either your audio is too hot or it's not turned up enough and it keeps dropping out the Vox. I put check marks in those. Connections, nothing. Vox, you put a check mark and turn on VOX for hands free. You want to change your trigger time from, I believe it's standard or default is 100. You want to change both of those to 200. Bring these both to -80. And then you're all set in here. Now when you create a channel, if you don't know how to create a channel, YouTube it. It's on there. You click on that and you trigger the lock button down here. That's about all it is. I'm going to do a quick little test video of how it works though. Alright, this is WQNX906 testing. You can see here on the video the receive, or actually it's transmitting right now into Zello. The feedback you're hearing is from my phone. Turn that on here so you can see. That comes from there. Focus. It's not going to focus. I'm going to quick turn this down. Oh, can't turn that down. I got my volume down button as the PTT button. Alright. Yeah, it's turned down a little bit now. No more echoes. For the time being. So there you go. Here is the ROIT or ROIP audio controller triggering radios, red lights. That's receiving USB audio in. It's kicking the receive audio from the radio through the USB, obviously through the computer controller, through the USB cord into the computer, which the software here is then transmitting it over zello. You can see the receive light on the Kenwood TK805D. And I'm going to do a quick test here with Jason, located over in the Beach Park, Illinois area. WQXN 966, WQNX 906, doing a radio check for the link video here. It has to completely relax and drop before you can talk.
WQXN 966, Village of Beach Park, Illinois. This is south of Wisconsin State Line. Using the Zello app on my phone. WQXN 966. You sounded very good on this end.
Alrighty, sir. Thank you very much for the radio check. And this will conclude this evening's or this afternoon's video here for the ROIP1 link video. Currently fused to the North Fond Du Lac in Fond Du Lac counties 675 Gmrs repeater. 7 3s from WQNX 906.